how to change currency on Amazon. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video, and on today's video we will see how we can change currency on Amazon. So let's get started. So first of all, open up any web browser that you prefer and on the search bar search for amazon.com. After that, make sure to log in with your Amazon account. Once you're logged in, you will land in this page. Now to change currency, navigate to this menu bar at the top section, and next to the search bar there is your country icon with a flag. So click on it. After that, you will get to the currency settings. So from here you can change the currency. Simply click on this drop down box and choose the currency according to your preferences. After you're done with that, click on Save Changes, and with that your currency is now changed. So that's how you can change currency in Amazon, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming videos.